Before we show you how to install this software, please make sure you've read 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And this will help you, and hopefully you won't make any mistakes. Obviously, after you've done this for a while, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. So make sure you read those directions. Now, if you are having the students work in a 45-minute class and you want them to prepare a long story, have them open up Microsoft Word or Docs and create their wording, and then just simply copy it and paste it into this software. It'll make things go a lot easier. Now, the next thing I have to emphasize, it is very vital that you have the kids write down their code that they're given, because if they forget to do it, there's no way you can recover their story. Have them write it down, and also it would be advantageous if you have them give it to you and you write down the story, allowing you to keep track of what they have, because you know how kids are, and this way you'll have a paper with it. Okay, so we're going to look at this video here on how to install Screen-O-Matic. This is a great software program, and it's really easy to use. Now, I'm just simply going to click on right here. You could use Smartboard Recorder. I wouldn't. You could use Camtasia. Very good, but it's only going to last for 30 days. But Screen-O-Matic, you have it forever. Simply click on Screen-O-Matic, and it's free, and it works with Windows and Macs. Now, when it comes up, now this icon, or this screen's going to change over time. So what I'm going to show you in this video might not really be here later on. So I'm going to launch the free recorder. Simply hit this button, and I might pause the video occasionally so you don't wait while it is being installed. Okay, it just told me to click on launch the execute file, which I'm going to do, and click on run. Okay, it tells you and takes you through all of your steps. Now, when it appears, you'll notice since I have my microphone on, and you need to have one too, you don't have to, but if you wish to have your voice recorded, this is a very good thing to have. You'll notice that we have up here, we can change the size of these to depend on what you're working with. Okay, let me jump to a story so you can see exactly what we are talking about. Okay, here's a story, and what I'm going to do here very simply is move this over. Now, you might want to encompass this whole little wooden area. I think that looks pretty neat. And I'm going to just simply size this up, as you can see. And this will only record the area inside the box. Okay, so it's all set up for us. It will record whatever we have and whenever we turn the page. Now, you'll notice that it's going to have a yellow line too, a little dot to show you where you are and show the people. We have record and cancel. Let's make this extremely simple. I won't record the whole story, just get it going. Okay, so you can see exactly how this works. Okay, I'm going to click here to start recording. The mermaid who rescued the trapped ghost. Hit the arrow key and it goes to the next page. And once upon a time, a mermaid named Riley was very bored. She needed to find something to do to entertain herself. And then simply click on the next arrow, and you can see you can read each page as it goes through. Riley decided to go for a walk. Hopefully, she would find something to do along the way. All of a sudden, she found cupcakes behind the tree. Okay, so let's say we're done. We've done the whole story. All you need to do here is click on the pause button, okay? And you can click this icon right here to play it back. The Mermaid Who Rescued the Trapped Ghost by Mary Slush. Okay. Hit the arrow key. After you've heard it all and you say, oh, I like it, simply click on Done. And when you click on done, it's going to show you what do you want to do. Okay, well, in this case, you can transfer it to YouTube, possibly. I wouldn't do that. Upload to Screenomatic, you don't want to do that also. What you do want to do is save this video file. Now, before you create your video, it would be very important that you find a folder or create a folder to save your video file. So simply, I'm going to click here. And when I do that, it's going to say the type of file, which is an MP4, which is very good. And the reason it's good because it'll play on any device. Now you want to give this file a name. So the name is going to be, I'm going to call it, let me pause my video here. Okay, I called it a Trap Ghost. Now my folder I've already created. I'm going to browse to it, but let me pause so you don't see all the things going on in between, save you some time. Okay, so you can see the name of this folder is Video Trap Ghost. Say exactly what it is. Okay, and I'm going to click on OK, and I'm going to publish it. So right now it's going to take a few, depending upon the length of your video, of course, it's going to take a while to publish. Let me hit pause while it's waiting to. Okay, so you can play the video, browse, copy it, or done. Well, let me click on. Let me go to the folder where it's located so you can see what it looks like. How's that sound? Okay, here's the folder. Here's the program or the video. I'm going to click on it. And when I do, it's going to open up.
The mermaid who rescued the trapped ghost. Hit the.
Okay, so you can see this is really relatively easy. Now remember, let me explain to you some other finer points that involve this. This video software will provide you with the ability of allowing your students to author their own stories or any other presentation that they are creating in your classes, and obviously in the future other classes. Understanding that once you show students how this works, you are providing them with a future tool that they may use in any level of education and subject in education. You are also furnishing your students and their parents with the ability to watch a video at home if so needed. This is also a tremendous method allowing you to explain your classroom instruction so they may be viewed at any time and anywhere. You are crafting a massive paradigm shift and at the same time modifying your pedagogy. We'd like to thank you for watching this video, and we hope you enjoy creating your stories.